Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove uncategorized from WordPress. So firstly, you have to log into your WordPress account over here. As you can see, firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com and simply log into your account. This is my home page, and on the left hand side, you can see there are the pages option. It will show all of the pages you have. Then above it is the post option over here. Below the post option, you can see a drop down menu that says categories. Click on the categories option over here, and as you can see, this is the uncategorized section. Just simply here you can see the delete option. Just simply click on the delete option and delete this uncategorized option from here, and make sure to set a default category to save all of your posts. I don't have a default category to save all of my posts, so I don't have the option to delete it. Make sure that you firstly create and then delete your uncategorized option from here. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.